Hey fellas, and welcome to my video. And I have the badass Dewalt nut gun, and the problem is you can see that it's working intermittent when the switch is pressed. So I guess we'll all know where the problem is and we can fix it. Here before me. Okay, let's check. We have the lid again. Let's try to lift it out. Okay, disconnecting the LED. I think you know the steps for this repair here. If you're watching my videos, this is a common problem for the Dewalt brushless tools. Okay. This one I will just move it a little bit. What I want to do now, I want to release the motor wires. I think it's always easier to take out the motor out. And something was happening here. Okay. Okay. Let's open it. Lift the button. I'm using this powerful hole here. The contrast gets cleaner in the eyes. You can see how it looks. Okay, good. I will put it back. getting the spring in place. Now we need to put the rubber in place. Let's make sure that the rubber gets enough gap in the housing. Okay. Do we have everything here? Yep, we can close it. We can connect the LED light. It's not so easy to get it fit here. Okay. Got it. Okay, we have everything now good here. We can try to test the motor. You can see that the problem is solved. So now we need to assemble the tool. I'll brush it a little bit. Okay, have it brush it. And plastic for the LED light. Let's get assemble it. Okay, we have the spring will be here. To get all the wires in place. Checking if the wires are in. The mode changer, so the direction changer. Okay, well, I cannot fit in here. Here. let's double check. Everything looks good. Wiring looks good. Housing looks good. Okay, now we need to test it. Works nice, and the problem is solved. So we need to glue the stickers and send it back to the customer. For you, thank you for watching. Bye.